I just caught a good 17-inch bass. It's a little thin, but it's getting there. It's definitely not super thin, so I better release him. Hey guys, just caught a nice 14-inch bass. He's pretty small, but he's fat. Nailed him off of a white spinnerbait from Bass Pro. So I guess I'll release him. Oh, there's a frog. There he goes. Hey guys, caught a good 15, 16-inch bass off a plastic worm. Pretty nice. First bass of the season off a plastic worm. Hey guys, I just caught a nice 14.5, 15-inch bass. I'm on a boat. Hey guys, caught a nice 16-inch bass. Hey guys, caught a nice 19-inch bass. It's really fat. Off a white spinnerbait. Yeah, I'll go release him now. Oh boy, I had to run all the way. I had to run really far to get a picture taken. So he'll be fine though. Yep. See ya. Hey guys, caught a good solid 15-inch bass off a spinnerbait. My first cast, actually. So, I came here after school. Yeah, I just caught a nice 18-inch bass. Decent. Actually, I caught him using a sort of strange method. What I did is, I still have him on here. Here, I'll show you guys. I got a float and rigged up a small bluegill or sunfisher. I don't even know. I don't know anything about panfish, but yeah, rigged it up. About like 2 casts after rigging that guy up, cast it out and caught this nice guy, 18-inch bass. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys if I catch any more fish. Hey guys, caught a nice, pretty solid, pretty thick fish. This one's not too long though. It's only about 15, but caught him off a white spinnerbait, which seems to be the key this time of year. Just been nailing them. Yeah. I can't wait till rubber worm season though, because those are a lot. I've lost a lot of spinnerbaits this year, and if you lose a rubber worm, it's not really that big of a deal. But these spinnerbaits, I'm using Booyah baits. They're a good $4 each, so sort of isn't very good when you lose a lot, because there's a lot of, as you can see, there's a lot of like timber and snags in this lake. So yeah, I'll release this guy and get back to you guys if I catch any more fish. Hey guys, caught a nice, he's pretty thin, but he's alright. Nice 17-inch bass, so I'll let him go.